Hey everyone, what is going on? It's Wilson, and in this video, I want to talk about the three top cryptocurrencies that I'm looking at as the market recovers. So Bitcoin was up and down for the whole last 2 months, and I trade a lot of different cryptocurrencies. I invest in a lot of different ones. Right now, personal advice is I don't feel it's the right time right now to invest in ICOs. I get asked that a lot. What's the best ICO to invest in right now? Right now, I think ICO is more of like a marketing game. It's like a PR game where these companies are just pumping a lot of news to try to get people to get into the ICO and invest in the token. I only look for the ones that are already in the market, that has a solid company that's already been trading for a while. So the top three cryptocurrencies that I'm looking at right now is I'm going to start off with the first one, which is Ripple. It's still considered low right now at 86 cents because it was trading at much higher before the market tanked as well. But right now it's slowly recovering back up, and as you can tell, there was a 19% increase um, in the price just recently. And one of the reasons why I really love Ripple is I'm a long-term holder in Ripple, so I'm not looking to just buy the dip and then try to sell at a high. I'm thinking that this thing will go to the moon. It will skyrocket because Ripple is partnering with so many different commercial banks to offer their payment system, to provide this type of exchange for people to be able to transfer money within a split second without any type of fees. Usually when there's a cryptocurrency or some sort of platform that's offering these type of services, they don't really go ahead and actually make these partnerships with these banks, or at least not well-known banks, right? They might partner with like a credit union and be like, hey, I have this like Fisher credit union under my under our portfolio, these logos. But Ripple is different. Ripple is actually going out there and making partnerships with these big banks, right? With these well-known banks all around the world, right? Like you see, they have American Express, they have MoneyGram, and you can see more members below. But they have like Standard Chartered, and their platform is getting integrated into these banks. So as people start to adapt more into cryptocurrencies, and as the market matures more, as the whole Bitcoin space matures more, I believe that the more partnerships that they do and these banks start using it, it will become more modernized, and Ripple's price will go up. So Ripple's price is definitely a stock that I'm looking at a crypto that I'm looking at in 2018 that will continue to just go up as the market recovers. Uh, let's look at the next one. So number two, EOS. I put a lot of money into EOS. The price has been going up massively these last couple of days. Uh, it tanked for a little bit during the market tank, but every single coin did tank during this time. And what EOS is pretty much a platform for people to build uh, blockchain platforms on top of it. So it's a infrastructure for decentralized applications, right? And basically what they do is that each time they release a new update, like this one right here, a partnership update, Block One signs 200 million joint venture, some sort of joint venture or partnership with some sort of company that's building with EOS, that's building their blockchain decentralized platform on top of the EOS infrastructure. uh, the price goes up, right? And as more and more companies start using EOS, then the value of EOS will go higher. So I follow EOS on Twitter a lot. I follow their news, I follow their newsletters, and everyone's talking about EOS, right? They're always partnering with more companies, as well as more and more companies are using them as the infrastructure. So I do see this as a long-term cryptocurrency to invest in, and as the price keeps going up, I will just keep buying more into this one, especially in 2018. Now, my last one that I want to talk about, a lot of people might not agree with me on this one, but it's VeChain. I really love the company and what they do, and I believe that once they get to the market, once they become more centralized, I guess I would say, like when people start to adapt more to it and realize the power of VeChain, the price will go up. It's already going up. It's already up 5%, right? When the market tanked, it didn't tank too much. VeChain didn't tank a lot and is recovering. I believe it will just continue to go higher as more partnership goes on. So for those that aren't familiar, you can watch my other video on what VeChain actually is and why I love the cryptocurrency so much. But basically, this token, what it allows you to do is it will help you identify real goods, right? So, for example, let's say you're buying like Gucci or you're buying like Coach, some of these really well-known high-value products. What's the biggest fear when purchasing these products for an average consumer? The biggest fear is we don't know if it's real or not. We don't know where it's coming from. But with VeChain, what they're doing is that they're building these type of platforms and tools that will allow you to see that it's actually getting manufactured from this specific place that's owned by Coach. That is actually authentic. You will see its entire shipping route. You will see the whole entire structure. And that way you know when you're buying stuff that it's going to be real. Now imagine all these big companies jumping on. We're not just talking about like Coach or these well-known brands. We're talking about like e-commerce companies. Imagine like like Amazon using VeChain to prove the value of the product. You might have a section when you check out next time on your product saying that, hey, check if this product is real, check the entire shipping, how is it manufactured. I just think it's super powerful, and they're partnering with the government. There's like a city within China that's already using it right now, so I definitely see this continue to go up. It's just a long-term hope for me. So a quick summary of the three cryptocurrencies that I'm watching in 2018 as the market recovers is VeChain, EOS, and Ripple. I hope this video helped. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.